Good morning, students. In this module, I'll cover the one graphical question based on your second chapter of physics. So question is, a car starting from rest accelerates at a rate of 2 meter per second square for 5 seconds. For this journey, we need to draw the velocity time graph, and with the help of velocity time graph, we have to show the displacement time graph also. So to find the velocity time graph, first we need to, here we know that the car starts from rest, so the initial speed is 0 meter per second, so and the time is, and acceleration is 2 meter per second square. So we will calculate the speed at every moment, like at 0 second, at 1 second, 2 second, and every seconds. So this is the representing velocity, and this is representing time. So when velocity is 0, then from this equation v minus u is equals to 80. So we know that u is 0, so v is equals to 80. So at time equals to 0 second, velocity is 0. Similarly, for time t equals to 1, as velocity will be 2 into 1, that is 2. For time equals to 2 second, velocity will be 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4 meter per second. Similarly, for time equals to 3 second, velocity will be 3 2s are 6. And for time equals to 4 second, velocity is 8 meter per second. And for time equals to 5, velocity will be 5 2s are 10 meter per second. So this is the velocity in meter per second. Rather than writing the unit in each boxes, we can use one thing. We can specify the unit here also. We can write meter per second, and here we can write second. So now we got the tabular relation between velocity and time. Now we need to draw the graph. So to plot the graph, this is okay. Now this is representing time and this is representing velocity. So velocity is represented in meter per second and it is represented in second. Now we will plot. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. Similarly, for velocity, this is 2 meter per second, this is 4, this is 6, and this is 8, and this is 10. Now we will mark it 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So for time equals to 0 second, the velocity is 0, so the point will be here. Now for the next 1 second, the velocity is 2 meter, so the intersection will be somewhat here. Now for time equals to 2, velocity is 4, so it will be here. And for time equals to 3, the velocity is 6, so it is somewhat here. And now for time equals to 4, the velocity is 8, and for time equals to 5, the velocity is 10. So we will be required to join these points. It will be approximately here. Okay. So now we got the velocity time graph. Now to draw the displacement time graph from the velocity time graph, again we need to draw a table relating displacement with the time. So this is displacement and this is time. We know that the area under the velocity time graph gives us the displacement. So for time t equals to 0 second, there is no area, so for time equals to 0 second, displacement is 0. But for time t equals to 1 second, we will find the area. This area is how much? It is the area of triangle, that is half into base into height. So half multiplied by base. Base is 1 and height is 2. So we can get 1 meter. Similarly, for time equals to 2 seconds, we will find this area, this entire area. So for this entire area, half into base. Base is 2 and height is 4. So we can write half into 2 into 4. It comes 4. So for time equals to 2 seconds, distance displacement cover is 4 meter. For time equals to 3 seconds, again we will find this entire area. So this half, base is 3 and height is 6. So it comes to 9 meter. For time equals to 4, area will be like this. So this entire base is 4 and height is 8. So 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16. That is 16 meter. And for time equals to 5, we can find this entire area, that is half into base. Base is 5 and height is 10. So it will be 25. So we got the displacement. Now you can rub it. So we got the displacement time graph. So to plot this graph, yes. So now we will take the gap. Here it is considered displacement in meter, and here we are considering time in second. So now this is displacement 0, then displacement 5, then displacement 10, and then displacement 15, and then displacement 20, and then displacement 25. So, and here we are marking time 0, 1, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, and 5 second. Okay, this is 20, this is 15, this is 10, this is 5. So for 0 time, the displacement is 0, so 1 point will be here. For time equals to 1, displacement cover is 1, so it is somewhat here, approx. Okay, for time equals to 2, displacement is 4, so it will be below 5. Okay, now for time equals to 3 second, displacement is 9, so it will be below 10. And for time equals to 4, displacement is 16, so it is just above 15, means here. And for time equals to 5, displacement is 25, so it is here. Now when you join all these points, we are getting a curve. So this curve represents the motion is non-uniform. Anyway, this is the graphical representation of displacement time graph. So that's all for the solution. Now I have sent you some questions to solve, so send it to me after solving. Thank you.